Hi, my name is Chuan. Welcome back to the course Net MVC and Entity Framework by Example Project. Okay, so today we will continue with today's for query data using MVC motor. Okay, so let's open the Visual Studio and I will run this. Okay, so today we will go to display the data for category on the left side and display the data for news. Also replace the product here for product page, and the next one we will display the content for contact us. Okay, so let's see the database. For now we have category, okay, and news. Let's see the new. For now we don't have the image for new, so I think we should add the image column here. Okay, save it. We can for example in this one. Okay, we will update it later. Also see the product. In the product we don't have the column for price. Okay, open this. For example, price. Okay, so now we will back to the Visual Studio to display the data for category. So open the template. Here. Okay, back to the slide. So the first thing I will talk about the partial view in the MVC. So if you already work with the web form, so you know the concept is user control. Yeah. So that's the partial view is that mean user control in the web form. So that means you separate this content into a partial view or in the control, so you can reuse it many times in the web system. Okay, so now I will open the first thing. I will open the controller. This one is a category, so I open the we don't have category here, so we have to create a new one. So we create a new partial view here. We name it a category. Okay. So to work with the database, we have to using the model. Oh, oh no, sorry. The first thing we have to create a new model for it. So I will comment it, and we will uncomment it later. So open the model, and you can create a new data model here. New item, data. This one, Net MVC data model. Okay, name is here. Okay, name is here. So for the head. So we will use this one. Let's create new connection for it. So the server name is here. Copy this one. CVS of DB here. That okay. So includes the sensitive data connection string. Leave it by default. Next, and you select on the table. Also the view and the store procedure you have finished. Okay, save it and then close it. So you have to build the project first. Okay, so now you can using the model here. Using model. Okay, first you have to create an instance for the entity. Make it combine. Okay, so now this one we have to get the list of category here. So I will order by you can using the link queue here. Name. By default it will starting by assigning. We have to return a partial view, not return a view. No, because we have create a function for partial view. And if you don't know how the result return to the client, so you can use the action and return the view, not the partial view. Okay, so now you can create a partial view for category here. Next view. with empty whether other partial view. Check it. Here, it created here for you. Okay, so come back to this one. Sorry, the main. You can copy this one, cut that is inside the partial view. And here in the layout, you have to clone the partial view here. So to clone the partial view, we can using this one HTML.action and string action name and string the controller name. Okay. We have a lot of override method here, but in this one we will use a string action name and string controller name. So the action name is back to the controller. The action name is category partial, and the next one is the controller name, string controller name. So controller name is the category. Okay. So try to run this again. So we will get the same result before you separate the content into the partial view. Here, now you got the same thing. Okay. So now we write the code for it. So in here we will be using a Razor markup server-side language to write the code. It looks like the same PHP or ASP language. First you have using model greater lift for category. Okay, you can start the code here. For this, we copy this one. To remove it. The name. Okay, that's all. So the link here we will back to work with it later, because for now we just only work with the category name here. Okay, so now I will run it again to see the change. Pass iPhone MacBook here. Okay, so I think we make it outside. Just look at that. So let's see the database here. We have iPhone, iPad, and MacBook. You can change the name here. For example, try to refresh. Yeah. Okay. So that means we already read the dynamic data for category here. Okay. Please come back. Okay. So now we will display the data for product here. We do the same thing for the same thing as we did for category. We open the product controller. We create a partial view. Product here. Okay. So we will do the same thing using motor. Create an instance MVC. Here we can so this one we will alter by deciding the product ID to make the new product will be displayed on the top. Product ID. Okay, so we can after that we create a view for it, partial view. So we will do the same thing. So for that we will copy the content here. We only need one and remove all here. So we using copy name try here. Okay, and for the image we will use this one. Display the image, use the URL.content here. So the image here, okay, I will copy the image. media. This one here, for example, it is inside the media. Okay. Item. Item dot image. Okay, clear. Okay, so that means we have to come back, open the database, and change the name for image to make it a real image. iPhone 6s. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, for example, and back to the index for this one. In here we have to call this one is the index page for product, so we have to call the partial view here. It is back to the product control and controller name product. Okay, so now we run it. Try request failed, change the item. Okay, so let's see. Partial view. Okay, remove this one. Will not found or does not. So product index will not found or does not implement. Okay, let's see. Product index here. Okay. Try to run it again. Yeah, it's display the data here. Okay, so we have an error with the right. Okay, come back to this one. Refresh. Okay, move up. Okay, so now we will continue work with the news We do the same thing for news. New category here. We copy this one to make it faster. Okay, create partial view for it. So we can copy the product partial. Can create a new folder in views, so we can change it. Title. Title. I think it's only title and no need to have the another here. Okay. So now I will copy an image here. For example, open an image here. Project. No, I will copy an image from the layout. Open the new here. Okay, so now we can run it with that. Now we have to call it new. Okay, how to see. Yeah. Okay, so that means we already displayed the dynamic data from the database here. New and the contact us. So I think for the contact us, for now we don't have any table here. So for this module, we will display only the static content. Open the constructors. Okay, so we can run the index here. Okay, so I think this one is only the example content. You can open the home, news, product, competitors. So open the new. We'll copy this one. News. Copy another. Oh, when we run, we cannot copy. Okay. News. So we change the new here. So we have to copy this one. So open the layout. Because this one here not dynamic, not static, so we have to copy this. Copy. For the product. The product. And for the news. Okay. From this array. Okay, so we will do the same thing for the product. Okay. Okay, so in this tutorial today, I already let you know how to use ASP to Net Fraser. It is server-side markup language. So we know how to use the partial view. It looks like the same user control in the web form, and also display the data uh, for partial view, and using the image and using the for each to display a bunch of data on the web page. Okay, so if you guys have any question, let me know. I will try to answer you soon. Bye bye and see you in the next tutorial. Good day and happy coding.